Alright, so normally sorry if you do hear any bells, my cat's in here right now. Um, Normally if I do take notes, it will be more pen and paper. But let's see. I do take some notes, using Word predominantly for such classes as my one history class, which is U.S. History till 1877. So let's click class notes. So we can see here I did start some. What I do is I will write out the chapter and click and highlight it before bolding it and underlining. And then I will do points. Sometimes I will indent if I want to make like a bigger list. Let's go through. Let's see if I can find any here that are indented. Like I said before, I typically don't take them on my computer. They are more made for on my notebook and paper, or my notebook and using a pen. I will show you kind of an example of like the indentation. Where did it go? Oh, it's in this. I am planning on making my mom a cookbook because I was cleaning out her recipe drawer, and here is an example of the different bullet points we can use. But anyways, back to what this is I plan on making my mom a cookbook called Tina's Under the Kitchen Sink Cookbook. And because I was cleaning out all her cookbook stuff and trying to condense the little recipes she had saved off of things. So there is that. And that should be it.